the 5 best AI tools for architects. If you design buildings or spaces, you know how many steps there are: concept sketches, 3D models, material studies, renderings, stakeholder feedback, revisions, and that's just the beginning. Now, imagine having AI tools that speed up ideation, modeling, visualization, and even compliance. Today, we're counting down the 5 best AI tools for architects, from number 5 to number 1, so you can pick the one that fits your stage and design workflow. Maquette, generative design for architecture. At number 5 is Maquette, a tool built for architects and designers to create plans and layouts quickly using generative AI. You start with a prompt or a simple sketch, set constraints, seat, size, number of rooms, orientation, and it generates design alternatives. The advantage: you get fresh ideas fast, explore options you might not have drawn yourself, and speed up early stage design. The downside: these are concepts, not finished working drawings. You still need to refine the model manually. Ideal user architects in the schematic design phase who want to ideate and test forms before committing. Dash 4. My Architect AI, AI powered rendering and style transfer. Number 4 is My Architect AI, a platform that lets you upload your model from SketchUp, ArchiCAD or similar, or even a screenshot, and instantly render photorealistic interiors or exteriors using AI. It also supports style transfers, apply materials, lighting, moves, aesthetics in a click. The advantage: massive time savings on rendering and visual variation, especially if you need many options for clients or marketing. The trade-off: for ultra high fidelity, full animation, or finely tuned lighting, you may still revert to traditional render engines. Ideal user architects or studios needing many visuals quickly: presentations, client rounds, mood boards. ArchiVinci design to visualization automation. Coming in at number 3 is ArchiVinci, a tool designed to accelerate the whole pipeline from design into visualization with AI automation. It supports sketch to 3D material suggestions, lighting setups, and removes many tedious steps. Its strength is how it bridges design and presentation. The downside is that you'll still need to verify the buildability and extend drawings to BIM construction documentation. Ideal user: mid-sized studios wanting to reduce repetitive tasks and focus more on design quality. 2. Architectures, generative AI, building layout platform. And number 2 is Architectures, a generative AI platform focused on building design optimization for residential and mixed-use developments. You define site, size, massing, program elements, and the AI generates layout solutions in minutes rather than months. The advantage: huge productivity boost in master planning and early architectural work, where multiple options need to be tested. The drawback: succeeding stages, structural, MEP, detailed documentation still require full architectural BIM tools. Ideal user: architects working on larger developments, residential complexes, or urban infill who need fast options and iterations. 1. Veras by Chaos AI visualization plus integration into CAD BIM. Taking the number 1 spot is Veras by Chaos, a tool that connects to your CAD or BIM environment and uses AI to produce high-end visuals, scene setups, lighting, camera angles, and material refinement, all while you stay in your modeling workflow. Its biggest advantage: it tightens the loop between design, model, and visual output, meaning less rework, fewer context switches, and faster review cycles with clients. The main challenge is the learning curve and integration requirements. It shines best when your workflow already uses comparable CAD BIM systems. Ideal user: professional architecture firms who want top-tier visuals, faster iterations, and a smoother connection between model and presentation. Conclusion: there you have it, the 5 best AI tools for architects. From Maquette at number 5 for rapid ideation, My Architect AI at 4 for rendering speed, ArchiVinci at 3 integrating design and visualization, Architectures at 2 accelerating layout and development, and Veras by Chaos at number 1 for professional grade integration and visual workflow optimization. Each tool offers a different strength: concept creation, visualization, pipeline automation, early stage planning, or full design to presentation workflow. Ask yourself, where is your biggest bottleneck right now? Ideation, rendering, layout options, integration with Beam, then pick the tool that addresses that gap and start accelerating. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.